All right, last question, question 16. In which quadrant on the unit circle does the sine equal the cosine? Well, that happens when they're at increments of 45. So if you can graph the unit circle by doing x squared plus y squared equals 1. And let's zoom in on that a little bit. That's your unit circle. Now they're going to be the same when it's halfway between, but it's only going to work on two quadrants when they're both the same sign. So you can test that out. Remember, the cosine is the x value. So if you do a coordinate, cosine of A, comma, sine of A. And remember, you can click on the slider. You can make this go from 0 to 360. And I like to count it by increments of 15. And we'll click label. So cosine and sine, of course, 1 and 0 are not equal. But if we move that up, those are not equal. There's your square root of 3 over 2, 1/2. Those are not equal. Look at 45. Those are both the same exact number, right? That's actually 0.707. That's the same thing. 45. If I did sine of 45, there's your 0.7071. So I guess just cutting that 1 off there. But that's the same. They're different here. They're different there. They're different there. Different there. Basically, in the middle is when they're going to be the same. However, in quadrant 2, they're opposite signs. So I'm not going to work in quadrant 2. In quadrant 3, they're the same sign. They're both negative. So quadrant 3, they're both the same. And then in quadrant 4, they are different signs as well. So quadrant 1, 45 degrees, and quadrant 3, 225 degrees. They're both the same values, 1 and 3.